Hello, in this video I will show you how to install and have your WordPress page in internet. In this case I will do it using the hosting of Hostinger, where you upload the web. First we go to Hostinger.com, or we put in Google Hostinger and we select the first option so that it directs us to the hosting of our country. We choose the plan we want. For example, in this case I choose the premium shared hosting of 12 months. We fill all the data, we put our email and our method of payment. There are coupons to have a discount on it. When we fill everything we confirm our payment. Once purchased we will be directed to this place. We put start now. Click skip. Click build a website. Click skip. I will start from scratch. Click claim a free domain. In the case you have one and don't want to have a new one, you have to choose an existing domain. In this case I will claim the free domain, so we choose the domain that can have several endings, for example net.com. I chose the .com, and then when it has been validated that it is not registered by anyone, it will allow us to continue. It says domain is available and we click on continue. We put the location of our server. We click in the pencil to edit and we put it where we want our hosting to be. I put it in USA. At the end we put finish setup. It will direct us to another section where it will ask us data about our identity. This is important for the domain registration, since it is what allows us to identify the owner of the domain. We complete the next step and then we return to complete and put finish registration. We wait for it to finish loading, and we will be redirected to a page where there are two options. There we put manage site. When we are there, if we register a new domain, we will have to wait until it is finally registered. It may take about 24 hours. We can also see a preview. We go to the dashboard of our domain. There we go down until we reach the option that says Auto Installer. We click that option, then that will be direct us to a new page with more option. And we select the one that says WordPress. There we will get a window where we have to fill in all the data. We put the name of the site, the administrator email, and an administrator user with password. Then click on the option that says Advanced. There we create a new database and set a password. When finishing this, we put Next, and that window we leave it as this, and we put Install. We wait and it will direct us to the WordPress dashboard. So we will be able to see our page. If we want to enter directly to the administration panel of our WordPress, we put Edit WordPress. If you have already waited and your domain is ready, you will be able to see your page by entering your domain in the search engine. If your domain is not ready yet, you can put Preview My Website. That will be all.